Yeah, well, we have wind coming from anywhere between the telephone tower and our sailboat, and it's going to increase by another 30-50% on the speed, especially with the sunset. And then we have swell coming, well, 60-90 degree, might be 70 degree from the right side. So that's going to create some kind of a confusion and swell and rocking. So, well, there's two different worlds. Wind wants to adjust, wind influencing anything above the waterline, so wants to line up the boat. But swell dealing with the underwater line, so it wants to rock the boat to the direction. So if you're rolling in combination with swinging and rolling, it's kind of a messy, yes. So we're gonna adjust. We point to the swell and get the wind just drag down, point. Actually, wind always adjusts the boat related to anchor. Let's adjust it. Well, I think we have to take care of it. It's holding pretty good. The bottom is good, it holds, but it's dancing like crazy, you know, with this wing keel, this kind of a shape of the boat, it's sensitive to it. I think we have to work a little bit.
So what are you gonna do?
Let's try put it on 2 points and 1 anchor. See what we can. Okay, well, okay, good. You're gonna be on the wheel. Start up. Okay, go forward. Hard left. Stop. Stop. Perfect. Oh my God. Okay. Okay. I just attach extra line here to the chain, and the end's gonna go to the winch. Let's see. Okay. And forward. Stop. Perfect. Just gonna run it to the winch. Let's turn. Naomi, please, can you take a slack from the winch? All the way, all the way. We have a lot of line in the water. Okay, perfect, perfect. Put it on the power head, like 4 loops power head, perfect.
Okay.
Okay, stop, stop. We have to let some chain out. Okay, we have to wait for opposite swing. Then I'm gonna release it. Good, we're finally swinging to the right side. Okay. Winch in, winch it in. Okay, we stay on this swing. See what happens. Great. And that's it. It's kind of abusive over here. Perfect, that's a good start. Might be more chain out because the angles are too steep. Winch it in. Yeah, stop. That could be good to start with. Great. Well done. That's my girl. she's great. I'm so proud of her. Yeah, maybe we'll set it up here. Snubber. This is to take the stress, especially here. It takes just take. Well, okay, see what we can do. Yeah. Oh boy. Very good. These bungee cords, it's better than chain against the metal. I like it. Okay, the stress is already in the bungee cord, so we just release chain, and so we don't have to hear it at night. And we just fine-tune it with a winch on the stern, and that's about it. Okay, well, we have both attached to 2 points. One serves as a chain, and there is a point that's where we attach the line, and then the rear winch practically can adjust any angle. Right now we are in very discomforting. Now we're really abusing anchor oil because we're taking a full blown of the wind to the hull, so we're gonna adjust that sweet angle facing the swell. Let's try. Somehow we overdone it, so we're taking a full blast of the wind to the hull, so we are just like a 5-inch surfing sails, a lot of thrust on the anchor. So practically just find the sweet spot between swell and right angle. I believe we need to release and get it like 45 degree related to the anchor line. It's like a flying kite. Let's see what happens when it stabilizes. Let's see how much of a roll. Maybe we're just gonna swing. That's what we like. Swing is better than roll, unless it's a rock and roll. But anyway.
The stability that Martin achieved by doing this is incredible.
It wasn't me. I wouldn't be able to do it without you on the wheels. Yeah.
It's really stable.
Very proud of you.
Is useful when swells and winds are coming from different direction.
Yeah, it works to certain angle, unless the hell break loose, but it's not gonna happen today. It was okay. It'll be fine.
If you enjoy our episodes, please hit like,
And
subscribe, and be part of our adventure.